Our world is full of dimensions and different features, and we are enthusiastic to develop some technologies in multiple dimensions in order to have more functionality for us. For instance, printers that are being used in industries and many other areas, we may need their three-dimensional output. Hello everyone, welcome back to the New Tech channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of 3D printing, exploring everything from its basic principles to its advanced applications. Whether you are new to the technology or a seasoned enthusiast, there is something here for everyone. Let's start with the basics. What is 3D printing? Also known as additive manufacturing, 3D printing is a process that creates three-dimensional objects from a digital file. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods that involve subtracting material like machining or molding techniques, 3D printing builds objects layer by layer. The invention of 3D printing is credited to Charles Hall, who invented a process called Stereolithography in the early 1980s. This technology laid the foundation for what we know as 3D printing. There are several types of 3D printing technologies available, each with its own unique strengths and applications. One of the most common methods is Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM. FDM printers work by melting a thermoplastic filament and depositing it layer by layer to build up the model. This technology is widely accessible and is used for a variety of applications, from prototyping to creating functional parts. Another popular technology is stereolithography or SLA. SLA printers use a UV laser to cure liquid resin into solid layers. SLA is known for its high resolution and a smooth surface finish, making it ideal for applications like jewelry making, dental models, and intricate prototypes. Digital light processing or DLP is similar to SLA but uses a digital light projector to cure the resin. DLP printers are known for their speed and precision, making them popular for applications that require high detail and accuracy. Selective Laser Sintering or SLS is another method that uses a high-powered laser to fuse powdered material together layer by layer. SLS is capable of producing strong and durable parts, making it suitable for industrial applications. Now let's talk about the steps involved in 3D printing. The process starts with creating a 3D model of the object you want to print it. There are many softwares to do, but if you're not a designer, you can download pre-made 3D models from online sources. Once you have your own 3D model, you need to prepare it for printing using slicing software. Slicing software takes your 3D model and generates the G-code, which is a set of instructions that tells the 3D printer how to build the object layer by layer. In this slicing software, you can adjust settings such as layer height, printer speed, infill density, and support to optimize the print for your specific needs. Choosing the right material is also important. There are many different types of 3D printing materials available, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. Each material has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the right material for your specific application and project. Once your model is sliced and your material is selected, you can start the printing process. Depending on the size and complexity of your model, 3D printing can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours or even days. During the printing process, it's important to monitor the prints to ensure that everything is going smoothly and to address any issues that may arise. Now let's delve into the incredible applications of 3D printing. One of the most exciting areas of application is in the medical field. 3D printing is being used to create patient-specific implants, prosthetics, and even organs. For example, researchers have successfully 3D printed heart valves, bone implants, and prosthetics limbs that are custom fit to the patient's anatomy. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please remember to like and subscribe. In aerospace and automotive industries, 3D printing is being used to create lightweight and complex parts that would be difficult or impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. For example, SpaceX uses 3D printing to manufacture rocket engine components, and BMW uses 3D printing to create custom parts for their vehicles. In the fashion and design industries, 3D printing is being used to create unique and intricate pieces of jewelry, clothing, and accessories. Designers are using 3D printing to push the boundaries of what is possible in terms of design and creativity. One of the most exciting aspects of 3D printing is its accessibility. Over the past decades, the cost of 3D printers has dropped significantly, making them more accessible to hobbyists, educators, and small businesses. Today, you can purchase a desktop 3D printer for as little as a few $100s, and there are many open source 3D printing projects and communities that provide resources and support for beginners. You may ask how we must choose a suitable 3D printer based on our requirements. Choosing a suitable 3D printer for your project involves considering several key factors. First, determine the type of 3D printing technology that aligns with your project's requirements, such as FDM, SLA, or SLS, each offering different strengths in terms of material compatibility, detail, and speed. Ensure the printer's build volume is adequate for your project size, and check its compatibility with the material you intend to use. Evaluate the printer's resolution, capabilities, and print quality to ensure it meets your project detail requirements. Consider factors like speed, ease of use, initial and ongoing costs, as well as reviews and reputation for reliability and customer support. Finally, think about additional features that may be beneficial, such as dual extrusion or heated beds, and consider future expansion needs. By weighing these factors against your specific project needs, you can select a suitable 3D printer that best suits your requirements. Of course, like other technologies, 3D printing is not without its challenges. Like any manufacturing process, there are issues that can arise during 3D printing, such as print failures, warping, and layer adhesion issues. However, with the right knowledge, experience, and troubleshooting skills, many of these issues can be addressed and overcome. In the end, I should say that 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that is transforming industries and opening up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. Whether you are interested in prototyping, manufacturing, or even creating custom designs, 3D printing has something to offer everyone. Thank you for watching until the end. Your support means a lot to me. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It really helps me stay motivated to create more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts on 3D printers and any other topics you'd like me to cover. So feel free to share your ideas in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.